Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we pair guys Bluetooth earbud to with our Realme phone. Guys you have guys your earbud this earbuds and guys you want to pair with your phone. So then how can you pair and guys how can you use guys your Bluetooth earbuds means your phone Bluetooth setting in your Realme phone. In this video I will show you guys. So first of all guys open your phone setting to pair guys your Bluetooth earbuds. Then guys scroll it. Friends you can see phone Bluetooth settings. So I first of all guys take out your earbud guys, you want to pair one, so I take your one earbud and guys on your means enable your phone Bluetooth with refresh setting. After refresh guys you can see guys your earbud name and guys your available device. So once you can see earbud name TWS, I will tap here to pair guys, you can see pairing Bluetooth pairing request pair with Triton TWS allow access to contacts and call long for. So it's pair it, so you can pair from here. And once you want to check your Bluetooth earbud battery percent, so once you can check I have 100%. So like that guys you can pair and guys you can use your Bluetooth earbud while watching movies using any operating any app. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye friends.